welcome to the Minecraft family channel. Today I am going to go through all of my smaller canvases because I want to sort them and find out which I want to do and which I think that I have to sell. So I think she is one that I'm going to sell. I don't think I'm going to do that one. And then I've got this one, which is a square horse. It's a fantastic painting. I did an unboxing on it. And I think it's going to turn out really nice with round drills. And yeah, I think I'm going to do it. So I'm going to put it into the perhaps pile, and then afterwards I can just see if I think there's still too many in my... This one is a canvas that I bought long before I started this channel. It was one of the first ones that I ever bought, and this is from the... No, this is not the one, that's with the girl. This one I just did an unboxing with, so her I'm definitely going to keep. It's the one with the flower in her hair. And then I've got this one, which is also one that I want to keep and do. Love these paintings. And then I have this one, which is a square one as well. From, no, it's a round one. A Gustav Klimt one, and one that I'm going to do. Then I've got her. I think it's an easy piece, and if I'm going to do her, I'm going to put her in the perhaps pile. Then I've got another Gustav Klimt one that I'm going to do. I've got a small cat with a butterfly, one I'm going to put over there in the... Definitely not going to do, and this one I'm not going to do. Then I have the small one that my son has started, and definitely not is going to do finish, so perhaps I should finish it for him. It's of a tank, the only way you can get boy diamond painting in my family, but I don't think he's going to finish it, so place this aside. Button. And then I've got her. I'm so in doubt with her because she looks really good on the camera, but I don't think she's that good. I think she's going to go in my not going to do pile, because I don't think I'm going to do her. So let's let her move on to somebody else. Then I've got this one little one which I'm going to do. I've got this one which also is a partial, and I think it's going to look fabulously when it's finished. So definitely one I'm going to do. I've got this one which also is a partial, smaller one. Love it, going to do it. This one I'm not going to do. Then I've got these smaller ones here, partials again. Not going to do this one. Not going to do this one. This one is just one blur, so perhaps you should give it to somebody, sell it at a small price and give it to somebody who might want to try to diamond paint. It looks much better on the camera and then doesn't look real well. I have 4 of these, and I think I'm going to sell them as well because I'm not going to do it. This one I'm going to sell, not going to do it. This one I've started on, that's the small snowman. I'm going to put that over here. Then I've got this one, which is a full one. Not going to do it. I don't think it's going to be one that I would enjoy. I've got this one, which is with a dragon and a woman sleeping. Not going to do that one. This one is with some small guinea pigs, or what is it? Or it's small mice. I'm not going to do that one, so sell it. This one, and this one is the other one, which I'm not going to do either. Then I've got the elephants here. Not going to do that one. I'm a bit picky. This one, not going to do that one either. So, and then I've got this one, which I'm not going to do. Then I've got these gorgeous girls, which I'm going to do. I think I just like details, and I think that then I want to do some paintings which I think would be fun to do. I'm not sure about this one. I don't think I'm going to do this one. And, this one is of a tree. No, I'm not going to do that one. Lay that aside. Then I've got the other one of the beautiful girls with the birds in her hair. So that's one I am going to do at some point. And then I've got this one, which is mangled. And this is just my guinea pig paper. Then I've got this one, which is totally ruined as well. It's not even one that you can sell, so it's just ruined. And then I've got this one. What is this? Oh, this is of the winter scene from the... It's the winter scene. I can just take it aside. I'm probably going to do it. I think it looks really weird, but I think it's going to look gorgeous when it's done. So let's try and do it. And then I've got this one for my son, which I'm going to do. That's Harry Potter one. And then I've got this one and this partial one, which I'm not going to do. Then I've got her. I've done an unboxing on her. I think I'm going to do that one. And this one is the welcome one, which is not going to take one long time to do. And then I've got the puppies, which is beautiful as well. Going to do that one. Another small partial one. Take them to the side. Then I've got this owl, which is an old one that I bought, I think, last year somewhere. I think that I'm going to do him. He's so cute. So let's keep him. And then I've got this one and this one, which I'm not going to do. I've got this 3-piece starry one with a castle and something. Not going to do it. Let's put them aside. And then I've got a 3-piece peacock one that I bought lots of time ago. I think this was one of the first ones that I bought, and it's in a Hofrindes state, but I think I'm going to try and do it. It's 2 peacocks and a challenge, I think. So that's it. That's my stash in smaller diamond paintings, and these are the ones that are going to move on. I can just count and see how many we've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Let's take them and sell them and see if anybody wants to buy them. I'm going to put it on a Danish web page. Just going to take, if I can get cost price, that's really good. So that's what I'm planning on doing, and then I'm going to put the other ones back. And I'm going to move on to the larger ones, but I think I'm going to start with selling these. So comment below. Don't judge. It's just the facts of life that I'm a hoarder, but I'm one who easily takes a pick and a choice. So I'm just going to take them away. So yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I hope that I can do a drill along and so on soon. So just wanted to show you how many canvases I bought up till now. I've bought a plenty. So yeah, happy diamond painting and see you soon. Bye for now.